name is Bhavesh Panchal, and I'm the art director at Games to Win India Private Limited. I was a student at MAC back in 2010. I've been working in the gaming industry for the past almost close to 10 years now. I joined a company called Spiel Games as a 3D generalist. And I got a hang of the gaming and the entire process, and I just instantly fell in love with that. And I just discovered this is what I wanted to do in life. So that happened, and I grew in the company from an 3D generalist to a senior 3D generalist and then to an art lead. I have been promoted to a director now. So yeah, this is my journey. Like one thing led to another, and I just found myself working in the gaming industry, and I've been loving it ever since. So I joined as a 3D generalist, as I mentioned. It's a very basic role that applies to animation and VFX as well. You need to model a certain part. You just need to supply assets to the developer. And then I graduated to an art lead who used to oversee the entire art production from a gaming perspective, and whether everything is looking right, whether the art is very consistent or not. And then I became an art director who used to even research and set an original art language for the entire project. It was supposed to be followed from start to end. So yeah, this is a very truncated version of my journey. Of course, there's a project that I worked on for Games to Win that's called Driving Academy. The original game was released in the December of 2016, and the game is still running and doing good. So that game is supposed to be an educative simulator that teaches you how to drive, how to follow the road rules. It's a really fun project to work on, and I've art directed the first version to the latest one. There's a good progression of the look of the game as well that has taken place in the last 5 years. So that is a project that is very close to my heart, and I take it as my own baby. So I really enjoyed working on that. The most important skill that is quite underrated in my opinion is the clarity of your vision. How well are you able to visualize a certain thing before you get on to making it? Visualize it and reference it. Both of these are very key skills that you require to succeed in the gaming industry. Because that's what you're doing at the end of the day. You're selling your vision to the audience. And if your vision is not clear, the audience won't feel connected to it. Be very good at contemporary referencing. So that I believe is very important to succeed in the gaming industry. Most rewarding thing I can say about working in the gaming industry is like your direct bond with your audience. So gaming is a very direct medium. You make a game, an audience plays it, and it gives you a feedback. Love, hate, anything. It's very unfiltered. So that is something I really enjoy in gaming. The most important tip I would like to give anyone aspiring to be in the gaming industry is play games. Love games, eat games, see games. Play as much as you can. Even from a critical analytical point of view, study games. Like be aware of what's going on in the market right now, what people are playing. So that is a very basic and a very a must as a requirement in the gaming industry. It was a very pleasant memory in terms of like personal bonds that I made at MAC, and also the kind of mentors that I met in my journey at MAC. Really good people, very qualified, and always willing to go beyond their role to help me understand things. So I'm incredibly grateful, and I hope them all the best in their future endeavors. I'll be always present whenever you need.